Give the people what they want, she said. Yes, that's what I heard this morning. Sandra Yancey, my business mentor on our eWomen Network CEO Plus call, teaching us how to be effective CEOs. She says, give the people what they want, give your clients what they want, what they ask for. And you've been asking for something, and I've been ignoring you. I'm sorry. And so I'm going to listen to Sandra and I'm going to listen to you finally. And I'm going to give you what you want. What do you want? Do you remember what you want? You want small packages from me with a few sessions for a lower price. I know, I want to give you these big 6 months and year-long packages. I want to transform you forever. And that's all great, but you want to start small. You want to go in on the shallow end instead of the deep end. So I'm listening, I'm willing, and I'm excited about what I'm offering because it's more accessible for more people and can really help you make a difference in your life. And it's only available this week because I like throwing people in the deep end. So I'm only going to let you enter the shallow end this week. Okay, so here it is. It's the 4th of July week flash sale. Are you ready? I always got to do that for the flash sale. All right, so this is 3 private hour-long sessions with me on Zoom. This is also 3 private 15-minute follow-up sessions on Zoom so we can track your progress and make plans for our next session, see how you're doing. So all 6 sessions, only $997. So less than $1,000 for 6 appointments with me to solve your problems, to achieve your goals, to change how you feel, to work on personal growth. It can be health and wellness, it can be relationships, it can be professional success. There's no limit to what we can cover. You can change anything with the power of your mind, and I can help you do it. So click the link below, buy now. If you want multiples, buy a few of them, and I can't wait to help you make your transformation. It's the best thing to be able to get rid of the problems that are holding you back and achieve the goals you want to achieve. So I can't wait to help you succeed. I'm Jenny Harkleroad, owner of Balanced You.